you're beginning fingerstyle ukulele player, this right here, this is a lesson for you. We're going to go over October Rain. And I wrote this for our beginning fingerstyle songbook course over at Ukulele to Pros. There's a course, there's a book on it. But this one's going to be perfect if you're just getting started. And it actually sounds very cool. That was just the end of it. We're just going to use our thumb and our middle, or index finger, not the middle, thumb and index finger for the whole piece. All right, the beginning is going to sound like this. Now, we don't have to start off that fast, but as you do increase the tempo, it does sound very cool. To get started here, just put your thumb on the third string, put your index finger on the second, and then the first 4 notes are just open. So it's going to go thumb, index, all right? Just get used to that. Before you even go on, just go used to back and forth right there. All right, once you get that down, we're going to add the piece now. So it's going to do the open, open, and then one more time. And then the next part's going to add your first finger to the second string first fret, and then do the same thing again. Then I'm going to bring my third finger in on the second string third fret, do the same thing. And then I'm going to take my third finger off and then be back on the first finger. And then you're going to repeat the whole thing. So it's open, first fret, third fret, and now as we move on, it's going to sound like this. The only difference with this part is you're going to add some more notes here with your fretting hand, but we're going to start by moving your index finger to the first string. And it's going to go open, and then I'm going to have my third finger here on the first string, third fret, and then my index finger is now going to be on the first string. So open, first string. Do that twice, and move this down to the second fret. And then 2 open strings. And then I'm going to go back to the second string, so I got to alter this hand as well. My index is going to go back to the second string, third fret here with my fretting hand. Now back to the first fret. Now 2 open strings, back to the first fret. All right, now check out the ending. So it's going to start the same thing, going back to the third and the first string here. This finger goes back to the first string, third fret. I'm going to do that 2 times. Now move it down to the second fret. Then open strings. Now jump up to the second string. Now first fret. Now open. Now this last part is going to be these single notes, but I'm still going to keep this alternating finger going. So I'm going to hit my thumb here, second fret, third string, and then open, second string. And then I'm going to move my thumb down to the second string, 1, and then back to the index, and then open, third string with my thumb. So it's right there, and that's the end part. So do that with me. And now, if this is too fast for you, it's okay. Slow it down. Do whatever tempo feels right for you. And again, if you like this, we do have a complete course at Ukulele to Pros that has this and a bunch of other fingerstyle pieces directly for the beginner. All right, we're going to do the whole thing now from the top. 3 and 4 and... That piece is called October Rain. Let me know how you're doing on that. You can leave the comments below. Again, Uke Like the Pros, we have a free 30-day trial of our Platinum membership. You get access to all the courses, including this one, and access to all our live events totally for free for the first 30 days. And then if you like this uke or need anything for your musical journey, we do have an online store, terrycartermusicstore.com.